try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. We get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me that buy your house a car. Me the girls them funny, but that's a if I probably a when or if you get lucky. It really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me. We are them mother man. Yes, we are them mother man.
I'm telling you, man, it's horrid. They are a real set of vagabonds up here. I mean, you've got to come and take a look. I can't say enough. And you should see the cars outside and the noise. It's deplorable. I'm sure the price of... Let me finish. I'm sure the price of my property has gone down in value.
That blasted man, Mr. Wedderburn.
Hold on. Oh, listen, I've got to go. They're showing the reruns of Dynasty today. Yes. Joan Collins in it. I know. Yeah. Okay. All right. We'll talk about it later. I'll see you then. Bye-bye. People.
I'm going to give him something to talk about.
You remember me?
Oh, hi, Mama. How you doing?
But Mama, how you do? Look, from when you buy big house and you not even let me eyes them see it before me gone.
Lord, Mama, I don't like when you talk them things there, you know. You know it's because you can't take the long journey why you don't reach down here yet. Sure.
So you say, you're young blood, full of
Shut and ginage.
Anyway, you send the breadfruit where I leave down there the other day with Joe?
Yes, yes, and some yam for your maga boy. Listen, I hear that you have one big yard with whole heap of space. So I send up a little surprise for you to help clean up the place.
Surprise, Mama? You know I don't like surprise. Yes, all right, I have to go. Let me finish up what I'm doing, yes.
All right, my daughter. Bye-bye. Love you too. And tell Junior say he must call in Granny sometime.
All right, bye-bye, bye-bye. Love you, kiss, kiss.
Morning, woman.
Hi, what one?
Boy, this cake smell good. And not even when we wait till it cool, I want a slice. No!
Don't even think about that. This cake here is not for us. It's for our lovely neighbor, Mr. Wedderburn.
Mr. Wedderburn? Mm-hmm. Mommy, what you up to?
Hold on. I can do something nice. I'm just being neighborly.
Anything you say. But remember this. You is my mother. You can't trick me. Anyway, later, soon forward.
Aye, hold on. Remember, we're going to check about the shop today.
Shop. Mommy, what you want with a shop?
Oh, Lord,
We don't have money already.
No, you don't have money already. I want to open a little clothes shop or something like that. You know, to have something to do. To put meaning to my life. I'm not happy like this.
You're not comfortable, mommy?
No. I want to earn my own money.
I don't understand, you know. Yeah, I'm in the dark with that one.
Just meet me by the plaza at 4 o'clock, alright?
Alright, mommy. You are the boss.
Yes. Alright, don't forget now, you know. Take care. Yoo-hoo! Mr. Weddy! Weddy! Woo-hoo! Weddy!
It's you. What do you want?
There you are. Oh, a very pleasant good afternoon to you, Mr. Wedderburn. You know, I was at my house and I was thinking, and I said to myself, I said, Beatrice, you be the bigger one. So I bake you this lovely cake as a kind gesture. So you see, from here on now, we could be good neighbors.
Oh, well, yes, that's very big of you. I mean, to admit that you were wrong.
Yes, well, I have something on the stove, you see.
eat from that woman, but the smell is so overwhelming. I think I'm gonna take a little bit.
You can say what you wanna say. You can do what you wanna do. Just don't mention the Innocent Kru, 'cause Kappa will put that to you.
The lyrically compact MP3, lyrically...
Oh man, no, I can't eat that thing. That. Still, you do this, you can't do this.
Yo, Kappa, you sell Kappa, you do music.
Song me doing a star.
Want a good tune from me now, what do you, man? Give me a good music, man. Run it again one more time. Last time, this me give you a chance. Yes, sir?
Innocent, never cool, never calm. Fire! Earthquake is a storm. And the best crew this to perform. Who no like when me say, better go on. I run them down. That alone put money in my palm. Not a pig, not a goat on the farm. Just me and the girl like it up till a man. Sorry, what you give me, we make me pass. Who but mine, I try to run.
What? Yes, me you long time me I tell you. Yeah, it's a song there. Yeah, I hate that. I love that.
That man just finished off my buckle that I buy yesterday. Worth it.
Oh, there, Mr. Weatherman. Oh. Oh, there. Oh, there. Oh, that's a wet one. No, that's a wet one. Curse that woman, oh, Cherry. I know you can see me now, darling, but please don't laugh. Oh, God, I'm telling you. She is going to get it, Cherry. She is going to get it. If it's war she wants, then war she's going to get.
Look on this.
Oh, my youth. That's it.
So much is safe sex.
Show him that for my
Yo! That song they set off for that man. What?
Eh?
Boy!
I only hope this song go #1. Because Maka is going to need the money to take care of his child.
Weird. So who pregnant for you?
Susan.
So, mix up Susan. Then she walk out for your brethren? What? No, man. Which girl can walk out for me? And then come back and tell me, say, she pregnant? No, star. Joke thing that.
Maka, it was raining robbers all the time.
Yes. No. Kind of private tonight.
Oh, you mean yes? No. You mean no? My youth is not a private thing again, you know. You publicly claim that the girl pregnant for you, right? I know you're going like, it's not possible. You know, in a loo, my youth want to tell man, you don't know where you're at.
Alright. You can't force the man to tell him private business star. Whether him want to put the rubber upon him rubber double or not, that's his business.
All the same, I don't want to hear anything about that, you know. Because we're only hearing one side of the story. Maka, deal with your problem.
Well, you're right. That is it for the day. Tomorrow we'll lay the next track.
Alright.
In the meantime, I want you guys to be properly attired for the performance later. Okay? Alright, so now take care of this.
Bless up yourself.
Yeah.
Aye. Tired. Hey, mommy, send her love.
Hi, how you doing?
And some cane.
Oi.
And some banana.
Here is that boy Joe to help her with this.
And before I forget, Billy inside, you see?
Billy who?
Man.
No. What is wrong with Mama? No, man. This is uptown. People don't keep goat in the yard uptown here, man. No. Them keep dogs like Rottweiler, Poodle, Dachshund, not goat. Joe, carry it back. Take it back. No, take it back. On the other hand, I think it's a good idea. He might clean up the place and the neighborhood.
That damn dog has got to go.
Damn fast.
That dog, I'm gonna get rid of it once and for all.
Aye. Tell your mother that I'm sorry about the other night. And in the same time, tell her thanks because she saved me a lot of problems. Alright?
Alright, yeah.
Well, well, well. If it's not another coincidence, how you doing?
I'm good.
How can you be good and you're driving this machine all by yourself? You're not afraid me arrest you? Give me your papers. And please tell me so you forget them. Because this time it's going to cost you more than a chups. Any firearm license?
No.
Any concealed weapons of mass reproduction?
No.
Okay, your documents are okay. But since we seem to be meeting so often, one of these days or nights, I'll have you inspect my documents.
That damn man don't know when to stop.
I'm going to take you somewhere where you can't mess on me or my lawn. Hey. If only it was as easy as this to get rid of your hell-sent owners. Huh? Come on, let's go.
Yes, Officer 119. There's an intruder on my property and I'm scared for my life. It's Cherry Gardens, Regal Way, off Russell Heights. Yes, could you hurry, please? He looks very dangerous. Yeah. Oh, the name, Beatrice Caldora. Yes, could you hurry, please? Thank you. That will suit you.
We are star. Real star.
It's official Benzly Hype neighborhood. Yeah, my bro. Army G, bless up, you know. We there, son. If you want Me and Mi KRU stuff, just get the link here. See, you want Benzly Hype videos, get the link here. Innocent Kru stuff, click the link there. You understand? This is the official people, so subscribe. One of the new things. You see me, I say, we there, I don't know. Been away for a minute, but we're back. So follow me now. Don't know. See?